this video, we are going to see what is Boolean data type. Boolean data type, it is one of the 8 primitive data types available in Java programming. Open Edit Plus, click on File, highlight New, select Java. The name of the class is H. Boolean. This is the data type. I, it is the variable name, is equal to true. Boolean is the data type name. I is the variable name, is equal to is the assignment operator. True is the value that we are supplying to this Boolean type variable I. In case of a Boolean, we can only supply two values. Either it can be true or it can be false. Other than this, we cannot supply anything else. We can only supply these two values, true or false. In line number 6, I'm going to print this value. Whatever the value that I contains, that I'm going to print. Now save this file with the same name as the class name, that is uppercase H. You don't need to give the .java extension. Why? Because it is already selected as the Java file. Now click on save. Now come to the command prompt. Try to compile this program. h.java. Press enter. We don't have any syntax error. h.class has been generated successfully inside classes folder. Now we can able to run this h class by using Java command. Run this h class. So what is the result we are getting? That is true. Now let's say I'm giving false. Save it and come to the command prompt. For any changes you have made to the Java program, you need to save. Then you need to compile it before running your class. Okay. Compile it. We don't have any syntax error. Now you can able to run this class. We are getting this false as the output. Okay. Now we can try to supply other than true or false. We know that the values for Boolean data type, it is only true or false. Other than true or false, I'm going to supply, that is int. Okay. Save this and come to the command prompt. Trigger javac command. What is the result we are getting? Incompatible types error at line number 5. Error at line number 5. Incompatible types. Int cannot be converted to Boolean. I declared this variable as the Boolean type and I'm trying to supply int type value. That is not possible. That is why we are getting that incompatible type error. Now let's say I'm going to supply 20.0. It is of double type. Compile it. You will get same error, that is double cannot be converted to Boolean. And what about char, right? Enclosed within a single enclosed within a pair of single quote. Save it, compile, and we are getting the error. Char cannot be converted to boolean, right? So other than boolean value, that is either it can be true or it can be false. Other than these two values, we cannot supply any other value to the boolean type variable. True or it can be false. Either one of these two. Compile and run it. We are getting this true as the output. So this is about the basics of this boolean data type.